In this video, I will demonstrate installing the Management Agent on a Linux host. In Oracle Cloud, click the navigation menu, go to Observability and Management, Management Agent, and then click Agents. Next, select the compartment where you want to install the Management Agent. In this example, that's Management Agent. Now, click Download and Keys. You can select your operating system to download the agent. Scroll down to see the agents for all operating systems. Next, click Create Key. You can use each key for an unlimited number of installs, or when you create the key, you can define the specific number of installs for that key. Enter the key name. Select the compartment. This is the compartment where the agent resource will be created. In this example, I define the maximum installs at 1,000 and that the key will expire in 1 week. You can select the checkbox to install the key an unlimited number of times. If it's selected, the key can be used for an unlimited number of agent and gateway installs, and the key never expires. However, Oracle recommends keeping the lifetime of the install key to a minimum required time and to limit the number of agents. Also, keep the download key in a secure location to protect confidentiality, and then click Create. Now, an install key is issued against your identity domain and validates the authenticity of the installation. After creating the key, let's create a response file. To do that, click the vertical ellipse and then select Download Key to File. When you download a key, a response file containing the agent parameters is downloaded. This file is required when executing the agent setup script. Now, both the install key and the response file need to move to the Linux host. Next, let's go to the Linux host to install the agent. In this example, I copy and paste the command to install the agent. To install the agent, I run the command with the sudo privilege. I see the agent install is successful. Now, the install is complete. Let's configure the agent. Move this response file to the temporary folder on the host with the agent installation file name. Now, I see the agent setup is complete and the agent is running. Let's confirm the agent installed successfully. To do that, go to the Oracle Cloud Console, click Agents and Gateways. Now, I see the Management Agent compartment is selected and the agent is installed. You can find links to the related documentation, workshops, and videos in the description below.